So today we're going rafting and we're kind of at a pit stop at the moment just to get, I don't know, a drink or something. So I think it's at 8 o'clock here, so we got ready, we got everything done, and yeah, we got picked up at 7:30 and then we went down to the minibus where everyone is, and now we are basically just heading off to the rafting spot, but it's very mountainy down here, so yeah, it's been a lot of ups and downs in mountains, but let me show you guys the view. So I've actually got my GoPro with me today instead of using my big camera, just because it's going to be really difficult to look after my big camera and I don't really want to lose it. So I left that at the hotel, but I've got my GoPro and hopefully you guys can hear me fine and hopefully the sound quality is not bad. Otherwise I'll just have to voice over everything, but yeah, stay tuned. literally we just came back from rafting. It was amazing. Yeah, I kind of had to take the star off, so I kept my gear ski. But it was so worth it. It was so good. But now we're just waiting to go back. Yeah, so we're just on the way. I think we're halfway there. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get back to the hotel. And I hope you guys can hear me. What's up guys? So basically we're back at the hotel. We had some dinner. We got a couple of drone shots, so hopefully they turn out okay. So today we basically went rafting. It was amazing. Like the adrenaline, it was like a roller coaster, but more like if you fall out, you're in trouble basically. But it was so good. Like if you like something to do with adrenaline and like doing something that gets you going, do it. Literally, it's like the best thing to do. It was my first time and Jordy's first time, so we really enjoyed it. It was like it was strange. It was fun. It was like when we saw the video, it was like really cool. So yeah, you'll probably see that in my vlog today. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah, basically this is what I wore. That yellow top that I have, and then my striped leggings. It's because you get drenched. You get drenched literally really badly when you're doing rafting. It's basically just, yeah, so everything gets drenched anyways. So I would have worn a swimwear item, but I only had that costume, and it kind of got wet yesterday when I went swimming, so it wasn't dry enough to wear. So I was like, I'll wear this anyways, but it dried off quite quick because it was warm. But yeah, so until next time, I don't know what else to say. Stay fearless and keep going. Bye!